Sixth chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A part 17. Last part completed impounded 2 marks problems in IB examination. Today discuss one more 2 marks problems in trigonometry ratios up to transformation compound angle topics. What is the first one? Simplify the following. First problem is cos 100 degrees into sin 40 degrees plus sin 100 degrees into cos 40 degrees. First, this one is, you know that this is A, here also this one is A, this one is B, this is also the B. Here you can use formula cos A sin B plus sin A cos B. You don't know this formula. You know this formula. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. These both are equal. Understood or not? Why? Because here A plus B form is there. Here B plus A form is there. A plus B equal to B plus A, both are equal. In this formula we can write sin of A plus B. Here also we can write sin of A plus B. In this formula, here what is the A? A is sin 100 degrees. A is 100 degrees. B is 40 degrees. Then sin of 100 degrees plus 40 degrees. Nothing but sin of 140 degrees. 140 degrees can be written as sin of 90 plus 50. How much? 90 plus 50, 140. Here 90 plus theta lies on which quadrant? 90 plus theta lies on second quadrant. Second quadrant sign is positive. 90 is odd function. Sign can be changed to cos. This is the value of cos 50. Cos 50 degrees is equal to cos 100 into sin 40 plus sin 100 into cos 40 value is cos 50 degrees. This one is the first one. Next one is what? Tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. Second problem. Here tan A plus B formula is there. What is the formula of tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Tan A, this is here, this is B. Tan A, tan pi by 4 plus tan B, tan theta by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan theta plus into, this is the first term, tan A plus B into, second term is what? Tan A minus B. What is the formula of tan A minus B? Tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A nothing but tan pi by 4 into tan theta. After that, tan pi by 4 nothing but tan 45. Tan 45 value is what? 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan 45 value 1 into tan theta, you get tan theta into 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus 1 into tan theta value is tan theta, 1 plus tan theta. Here 1 minus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta get cancelled. 1 plus tan theta, 1 plus theta cancel. You get 1 into 1, that is 1. This is the value of tan pi by 4 plus theta into tan pi by 4 minus theta. Next problem is express square root of 3 into cos 25 degrees plus sin into 25 degrees whole by 2 as a sine of an angle. This expression can be written in terms of sine. First of all, you can write this one is square root of 3 cos 25 degrees plus sin 25 degrees by 2. This is the given value. Here first we can separate a numerator. Square root of 3 into cos 25 degrees by 2 plus sin 25 degrees by 2. You can write 1 into sin 25 nothing but sin 25. After that, you can write square root of 3 by 2 into cos 25. Correct or not, students? Check this one. Square root of 3 by 2 cos 25. Here 1 by 2 into sin 25 is the another one. Sin 25 degree is the another term. Here square root of 3 by 2. Square root of 3 by 2, you can write sine angles. Sine which degree? You can square root of 3 by 2. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Nothing but this value equal to sine 60. Sine 60 into cos 25. Similarly, this 1 by 2 in terms of cos, you can write in terms of cos. Already explained trigonometry table. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 1 by root 2. Cos 60 1 by 2. That's why you can write 1 by 2 nothing but cos 60 degrees into sin 25 degrees. After that, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B form. This is sin A. This one is cos A. Sin B cos B form. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B formula is there. What is that formula? Sin of A plus B. This one is the formula. You can write this formula. In this formula, you can write A value is 60 degrees. Okay, students. After that, B value is 25 degrees. Sin A value is 60 degrees plus B value is 25 degrees. Total how much here? Sin of 60 plus 25, 85 degrees. Sin 85 degrees. Therefore, this expression as a sine of an angle. Sine of an angle nothing but sine ratio. Sin 85 degrees is this expression value in terms of sine ratios. That's why sine angles. Next problem is simplify sine 1140 degrees cos 390 degrees minus cos 780 degrees and sine 750 degrees. First of all, you can take this total function, this total expression, given the sine 1140 degrees cos 390 degrees minus cos 780 degrees sin 750 degrees. You can find each value separately. Sin 1150 degrees. First you can take this plus symbol 0, 90, 180, 270, 360. 360 next 450. 450, 540, 630, 720, 810, 900, 990, 1080. This sin 1150 can be written as sin of 1080 plus 60. Correct or not, students? 1080 plus 60 how much? 1140. Here this is 1080. 1080 plus nothing but which coordinate? First coordinate. That first coordinate sign is positive. 1080 nothing but even function. Sign can be as sin 60. Sin 60 how much? Sin 60 root 3 by 2. This is the value of sin 1140 degrees. After that it goes to cos 390. Cos 390 nothing but cos 360 plus 30. 360 plus theta lies on which quadrant? 360 plus theta lies on first quadrant. In this first quadrant cos is positive. 360 is even function. Cos can be written as cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 value also be root 3 by 2. Cos 30 how much? Root 3 by 2. Next term. Next cos 780. Cos 780. Here this is 720. Cos 780 as 720 plus 60. Correct or not, students? 720 plus 60 how much? 780. 720 plus theta lies on first quadrant. In this first quadrant cos is positive. 720 is even function. Cos can be written as cos, that is cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. This is the value of cos 780 degrees. After that, you goes to sin 750 degrees. Sin 750 nothing but sin 720. Sin 720 plus 30. 720 plus 30, 750. 720 plus theta lies on first quadrant. First quadrant sign is positive. 720 is which function? Even function. Why? Because 720 lies on x-axis. X-axis quadrant angles are always even. Already explained starting classes. Here 720 is an even function. Sine can be written as sine 30. Sine 30 value is how much? Sine 30 value is 1 by 2. You can write these all values in this expression. Sine 1140 value root 3 by 2 into cos 390 value root 3 by 2 minus cos 780 value 1 by 2 and sin 750 value 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 2s are 4. 1 into 1, 1 by 2 2s are 4. We can write 3 minus 1 by 4, that is equal to 2 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. This is the value of this one. This is a simple way by using this plus symbol. Next, today assignment problems is first problem. Simplify cot 55 degrees, cot 35 degrees minus 1 by cot 55 degrees plus cot 35 degrees. Here you can use cot A, cot B minus 1 by cot B plus cot A formula. Already explained compound angle formula. You can use that formula, you can easily come to the problem. Tan 75, cot 75. Tan 75 nothing but tan 50. Cot 50. Here, cot 75 nothing but tan 15. Cot 15 value 2 plus root 3. Tan 15 value 2 minus root 3. You can write root 3 get cancelled, you get 4. This is a direct problem. Next one, cos theta minus sin theta as a cosine function. First of all, this can be written as root 2 into 1 by root 2 cos theta minus 1 by root 2 sin theta. After that, this root 2 can be written as in terms of cos. This 1 by root 2 can be written as in terms of sin. You get cos A cos B minus sin A sin B formula. Already explained the previous problem. In terms of sin, here in terms of cos. Cosine nothing but cos. After that, prove that sin 750 degrees cos 480 degrees plus cos 120 degrees into cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 directly write down. Cos 120 nothing but 90 plus 30. Cos 480 nothing but 450 plus 30. Already you can use plus symbol. Cos 750 nothing but 720 plus 30. You can use plus symbol. Previous problem model. Do that. You have to take LHS part. You compulsory coming to the RHS part. These are the homework problems of the previous problem model.